Will your job let you stop working when life gets hard? In 2019, two of my three teenage daughters were killed in a terrible car accident. The third had multiple injuries and was in a wheelchair for a while, but has recovered now. So no matter what life throws your way, you still have to work unless you're independently wealthy. The bills you had before are still going to have to be paid, and depending on the tragedy, you may have even more bills that will be coming. So as much as I had the don't want us after the accident, I knew that I still had to work. But the good thing is that I loved what I do. I can't imagine having to go to work with a job that I hated after something like that. But the good thing about Little Rose is if I didn't want to go back and I could pay the bills without it, I could choose not to go. The week before the accident, our family went on a backpacking trip that I'd been wanting to do for 20 years. And it was a whole year in the planning. There were things that happened that we thought it might not happen. But one of the reasons that I really wanted it to happen is because my oldest daughter was about to leave for college. And I thought that it might be the last time that we got to do this trip. But it never occurred to me that it would be the very last time that two of my girls would ever get to do this. It was an amazing trip, and not only did I not have to worry about work on the trip, I actually made money while we were backpacking and had no service. I was able to choose to spend time with my family and still make money. Part of my community that helped me through these tragedies are people that are on my team and even customers. There are so many people that I have in my life that I never would have met had it not been for Little Rose. One of my favorite things to do with the business is vendor events. And yes, I do that because I need to make money, but one of the other blessings is that there's always someone that we meet that we get to encourage in some way. There is some new friend or some person, and we will say, oh, this is the person that I was here for today. So who knows? You might meet a heartmate or your best friend, somebody that you never would have met if it hadn't been for Little Rose. Of course, it helps that Little Rose has amazing, one-of-a-kind products. One of the things that I love is no matter what kind of hair you have, you can spend 10 seconds and look like you spent time on your hair, all without damaging or without a headache. So whether you need a little money, a way to get out and meet others, a community to be a part of, or something to provide money when life throws rocks your way, Little Rose would love to have you. Reach out to your stylist for more information, and we look forward to being a part of the solution.